Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw your Modic tokens from Revolut and transfer them to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just exploring new exchanges, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a Revolut account with some Modic in your crypto wallet and a Bitrue account ready to receive it. Double check that you have your Bitrue wallet address handy. It's that long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in securely. Head over to the Crypto section, which is usually found in the main menu. Once there, select Modic from your list of holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's pretty straightforward. Next, in the withdrawal screen, you'll need to enter the destination. Paste your Bitrue wallet address into the field provided. Be extra cautious here. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so verify the address twice. Then, enter the amount of Modic you want to withdraw. Revolut might show you any fees up front, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. After you've confirmed the details, hit the Confirm button. You'll probably need to authenticate with your PIN or biometrics for security. Once submitted, sit tight. The transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, jump over to your Bitrue app or website and check your wallet for the incoming deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your Modic should appear soon. Pro tip: always use the Polygon network for Modic transfers to keep fees low and speeds high. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Modic from Revolut to Bitrue in 2025. It's a simple process, but staying vigilant about security is key in the crypto world. If you run into any issues, Revolut and Bitrue both have helpful support resources. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.